This video, I'm going to teach you how to create a demo account on TradingView. If you're new to TradingView, it's a powerful platform for charting and market analysis, and a demo account, also called paper trading, lets you practice strategies without risking real money. We'll keep things simple and get you from zero to your first chart in just a couple of minutes. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Any modern browser works well here. In the address bar, type tradingview.com and press enter. Double-check the URL so you land on the official site rather than a search result or an ad. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner and click Sign In. A small window will pop up. At the bottom of this window, click Sign Up. This takes you to the account creation options. Now choose how you want to sign up. You can use Google, your email, or one of the other listed options. Pick what's most convenient for you. If you go with a single sign-on like Google, you'll just confirm permissions and you're set. If you choose email, you'll enter your basic details. Keep your information accurate and use a secure password you'll remember. When everything looks good, click Create Account. You may see some quick terms or preferences. Just review and proceed as needed. After that, you'll be logged in and ready to go. With your new account active, head back to the home page and click Chart. This button usually sits near the top of the page. Clicking it opens TradingView's full-featured charting workspace. Give it a second to load. There's a lot of capability packed in here, from indicators to drawing tools. Once the chart opens, your demo or paper trading environment is active. That means you're in a safe, simulated space to learn the layout, explore tools, and get comfortable without putting real funds on the line. You can zoom in and out, change time frames, and search for symbols to view different markets. If you like, save your layout so your customized chart setup stays the same the next time you log in. Because you signed up and signed in, your settings will sync across devices, making it easy to continue where you left off. That's all there is to it. You've created your account, opened the platform's charting workspace, and activated your demo experience, all in a few clicks. Take your time exploring the interface and getting familiar with the tools before moving on to any live trading. And that's how to create a demo account on TradingView. Subscribe for more tutorials.